Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 26th, 2021. I wanted to come in and speak to you all about our Canoo stock price prediction we did into the market. We want to know, should you come in and buy the market? I mean, can we still expect the price to go up in Canoo? You guys can see it, that is precisely what this market has done in Canoo. Well, welcome to HueFin. This is also HueFin News. This is what I do. I give out price predictions as to where I'm looking for the market to go so that you all can see that you can do this for yourself. Like, you can actually do this for yourself, become more profitable, minimize those losses because you can read what the consensus is based off the price chart. So keep it locked in here if you guys appreciate it. Hit the like button, and also subscribe to our channel. We don't cause you any confusion. We don't talk about no fundamental analysis because it's garbage. We don't talk about technical analysis, technical indicators, because it's garbage as well. It doesn't give us no competitive advantage. The only advantage that we have in the stock market is seeing price. That's it. Pay attention to what price is doing in relation to the volume. You guys can actually tell where the market's trying to go. So let's talk about this real quick. GOEV is the ticker symbol for Canoo. September 25th was the last video I did for Canoo, and we was playing the strength into the market even at that time. Now you guys can see what price has done against our prediction. Yeah, price went down, right? But hold on. Look at this. We already shown you where we was looking for the market to come in and grab support. So even though price in Canoo did go down, I'll give you that. Yeah, it did. But we wasn't worried because we knew that we were going to expect to see some buyers into the market in Canoo. Right there. Right there around $7. Now the market ultimately came down to $6.50. All right, close. But we was in that vicinity to understand where the market would find support and where the buyers would be. And it was there around 7. Now, since that time, you guys can see it for yourself. Price has been on an upward move. Cool. And we actually got the ultimate TP price out into the market in Canoo right here on November the 17th. So from September 24th to November the 17th, 20%, 22% right there into the market in Canoo. Now, if you were to get out the market today, take a look at this. We'll be up 34% right now. It's just simple. All right. So now let's take this away because there's some things I wanted to show you all. And I wanted to show you that the price in Canoo may actually continue to go up in price. Now, I'm not going to tell you that we're going to hit $100. No, I'm not saying anything of that nature. I'm just telling you that we can kind of look for price to go up. A couple of reasons why. First, let's not make this complicated. Price is going up, right? Simple. That's the trend into the market in Canoo. As long as this trend is maintained, there's nothing for us to worry about. We're going to go up in price. Simple. All right, that's the first thing. Second thing, look at this volume right here. One thing I do on this particular channel is I want everyone to start paying attention to the volume. The volume literally tells you who's been participating and what type of business did they do. Were they buying? Were they selling? Because retailers cannot create this much volume. I don't care what anyone says. Not in one particular market. It takes a bigger institution, i.e. a hedge fund or a banking giant, to come in and actually participate in the market, right? Or unless it is someone who's on the inside that has a whole wad of this GOEV stock. So look at that day, November the 17th, right? The market price in GOVE, yeah, it went up. We saw the market up, 3.35% on the day. But price, if the market was really selling on that day, the market price would have went a lot lower. But we didn't even see that. We are now trading right back to where we were on November the 17th. So a lot of that price action on November the 17th wasn't selling. It was buying because the market did not react negatively to it. Price continued to go up. That's the second reason why I'm looking for the price in GOEV to go up. Now, this is the 2-day time frame into the market in GOEV. Canoo. We're still seeing price trying to go up in price. So we got it. We got the overall consensus of the market in GOEV. Now, I want to show you, since we're looking for price to go up, we want to be conservative in that sense because we can see where restriction is. $12.45. That's where the market is currently bumping its head in Canoo. So I don't want you all to think that I'm massively bullish in this stock because we are already seeing price get rejected at $12.45. It's just part of the risk. Now, can we see the market break that? Let's try to figure that out. So this is Canoo on a 3-day time frame, right? I like it. We saw weakness come in the market in Canoo on both of these 3-day price bars. Sellers came into the market, right? But the market was still able to overcome the selling and see price close toward the high of the bar. So I'm already trying to pay attention to us breaking $12.45 to the upside. I am. But where would be the next level then? Okay. Where would be the next level for us to see the market in Canoo get rejected? And it's going to be around $13.50. $13.50 is where we can see the market in Canoo come in and get rejected again. So that's not that far from where price is neither. Now, you might see a lot of people come on YouTube and they want you to hold these stocks for 15 years, 45 years just to recoup some profits, right? But for us, yeah, there are a couple of stocks that you can hold for the long term because the market literally has those stocks in 401ks and IRAs and pension plans. Those stocks has to go up because the majority of the people have their money locked up in that stock. Every other market is not like that though. So be careful for the people who tell you to hold every stock for 5, 10, 15 years, right? So now I'm going to play the strength into the market in Canoo. I am expecting the price to break that $12.45 area, $12.50. And then my next level will be $13.50 or $13.45. That's the first area that I'm looking for the market in Canoo to go. Now, from a weekly perspective, I want you all to see this too. This weekly price bar literally tells me that the buyers were in the market from the previous week. So given that's the case, I'm going to increase my price target again. I got two price targets, $13.50. The next one's going to be like $14.50 to $15. That's my second area. Okay. Now I'm going to hold this horizontal line here because I want you all to understand that we can still see selling go on to the market. So from a weekly perspective, you got to give this prediction that I'm doing at least a couple of weeks to play out, right? So this is it. I'm going to play the strength into the market in Canoo. I'm looking for the price to go up. Okay. And as long as the market is able to hold $10 as support, I'm going to look for the market to try to tag out first or try to hit $13.50, 50 cents, all the way up to around 15. All right. So that's it. I'm done. It wasn't hard, was it? I didn't talk about no fundamental analysis. I didn't look at the company's earnings reports, none of that. I don't care because the people are the ultimate deciding factor as to where stock is going to move. People are, and whether or not they're buying and selling. So hit me up. Let me know, what do you all think about Canoo? What do you think the price is going to be to end out 2021? So let me bring this in closer. And I want you all to drop me the comment right now and tell me where do y'all think the price is headed. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.